Hello, I'm Clark and this is Leanne. We live in Uddingston.
So when we first moved in, it was a typical new build. The garden was just left to its own. It was in a really bad slope. It was very bogged down. So I wanted it done because we've got two wee girls, we've got the dog, didn't want the mud trailing in, things like that as well. So then we just kind of set out to look for somebody to do what we were wanting done.
We came across numerous companies online and seen Mark's works and the quality of the jobs, and it kind of fitted in line with the kind of garden we wanted. From there we got in contact with Mark and the guys at Motherwell Landscapes. Once we made contact with Mark, he came out, he showed us different options, went through the types of tile, type of fencing. Mark came up with the idea of doing the 2 levels, which straight away when he showed me pictures and graphics of how it could look, we were happy to go ahead with him. From there, he kind of took it to another level. He showed us 3D drawings, he showed us videos, drone footage of what it could possibly look like at the end, and from there we decided to go with Motherwell Landscapes.
So Mark had suggested that we could do it in the winter, which I didn't think was possible, but the idea was that starting in the winter that it was going to be done for the summer, because I couldn't think of anything worse than it being really hot and I'm stuck inside with 2 girls and a dog.
From there you can see the end product is like an extra room in the house now. The girls are never in the house anymore, something that they've missed for the first year of moving into a new built house. They've now got a garden, they've got a full space. As you can see, we've got a pool in for them. We've got a wee playhouse out there. The girls are loving it. As you know, in Scotland we don't get great weather, but we're getting it recently, so they're loving it. It's kind of changed the house a lot as well, because now we've got an actual living space out the back. Mark's been out quite a few times since then, just to make sure that we're happy with everything, and we are, and the end product is immaculate.
So throughout the whole process, like Motherwell Landscapes they were absolutely amazing. And I'm quite picky, and I was obviously the person that wanted this the most, and everything throughout was it was always to make sure that I was happy with everything that was happening in the process, and if I did want anything changed, they're happy enough to accommodate with that. When we did speak to Mark as well, Mark, explained he's getting a wee boy as well, so he understood what I was really wanting. This was for my girls, this was for the dog, this was us to come out and enjoy, create memories. So Mark really took that on board, and he came up with everything that I wanted, really. And yeah, they were absolutely amazing with what we did.
You can clearly see that they're passionate about their work.
Definitely.
For the labourers, to Mark, to the guys that did the slabbing and the tiling, you can see that they're passionate about it. They kind of treat it like their own house. It's not just been left as a job. As I say, start of the days they were here early, end of the days they were away late. They made the job personal to themselves.